Okay, here are some Carrier central air conditioning units at a event center near my town. Here's this unit. Currently not running. This unit's a 410 from 2022. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And it has been running. The suction line's sweaty. And here are two more Carrier units. This one has a ECM motor, probably a Gentech. Yeah, this is at a newly built event center. This place was built, like, I think 1 or 2 years ago. This one's a 510 from 2022. There's another one. Copeland scroll compressor. Gentech ECM motor. Not sure if that one's been running. The suction line's not sweaty. And then there are a couple more over here. Here are two more. Also not running. There's data for that one. That one's probably another 2022 510. $410 from 2022. This one has a broad ocean motor. But yeah. Just thought I'd get a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.